I promise you on my dead homie, if he told me I'm gonna beat the fuck out of him. What's up, YouTube? So, let me give y'all just a little update. So, I just got my little inventory that I had, like, in a rack. It just got here. I've been running around all day. So, what else? Back to what I was saying. So I gotta hold on, let me pause for now. So I gotta I'm finna get my hair done. Then I gotta go through all this, see what I want to take tomorrow. I really been waiting on this to come, but it's just not coming. So I gotta see what I want to go through. I mean, I gotta see what I want to put out there tomorrow. I gotta go through all that. I get my hair cut in the morning. Then I gotta drive all the way back to Chicago, and then it's pop-up shop time. I don't even think I'm gonna end the video on a pop-up shop though. I think I'm gonna end it Sunday because we do got 2 yachts Sunday. So I think I'm gonna take y'all on there with me. I'm not sure yet. It depends on how I feel. But yeah, man. Anybody wanna do clothing brand, bro? Y'all gotta just know, like, this shit is like tiring. It's hard work, bro. It ain't just you just doing stuff. You gotta do a whole bunch of stuff, bro. You gotta make sure you cool. Yeah. What's up, YouTube? So as you can see, it's 1:46 in the morning. I got my hair done. Now I'm finna go through this inventory. See what I wanna take to the pop-up shop tomorrow. See how much I wanna make. I don't want to take too much, and I don't want to take too little. So, what should 3:18? I just finished up everything, and we looking like we're gonna have a successful day tomorrow. I'm excited, and I know y'all excited. So, I ain't even finna say no more. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith. I got my boy 3C with me. So we just got here to the little pop-up shop, man. We're finna see what it's talking about. We finna move this stuff in real fast. Get to y'all when we, get to that. What's up, YouTube? So I tried to I couldn't really like record like me talking or anything because like they was playing music in the background, and I'm not trying to get copyrighted because they be tweaking. So I ain't even finna deal with that. So I'm not even gonna end the video on this though. Like I was gonna end the video, but like we got 2 yachts tomorrow, so oh my God. Chicago people, oh my God. He just walking to the street, gang, like that just threw off my whole train of thought. Hold on, y'all. Alright. So I'm not even gonna end it on that. Like I'm not gonna end it on that. I'm gonna end it tomorrow. I take my sister out, my sister and my 2 nieces out to breakfast tomorrow. And then me and my people, we got 2 yachts tomorrow. So I'm just gonna film everything and show y'all how I be living. You feel me? So yeah, but at the pop-up shop though, like I locked in with a couple brands. I fucked with it for sure. We didn't reach the goal though. We didn't reach the 2K goal, but we did. We got good. We ain't reached 2K, but we got good. So it was a win-win situation. But I did lock in with a lot of people. That's what I really went for anyways. I didn't really go to like make money. I mean, it's still about the bread too, but like I really went to make money. So I made a lot of connections, especially people that's in the rack. So now I'm gonna be looking forward to that. We're gonna do it. So what's up, YouTube? Yeah, I'm a little intoxicated. Got people out back there. We got another boat right there. I gotta sober up first, cause I'm really not trying to. I'm finna eat a couple pieces more chicken. But like, look at this view, man. Like this how we living.
Right here? I can get over like that? Are you sure?
I wasn't even going. I'm drunk, but he's drunker.
We took a journey there. That's right. Come on, man. Hey, we want to run
This is alcohol.
He's drunker. Look at him. I promise you, if he throw on me, I'm gonna beat his ass. I promise you on my dead homie, if he throw on me, I'm gonna beat the fuck out of him. Shout out, where you from? You said what? Well.
You get the
camera.
you get the bottle from
We drunk. I love my people. For sure. What's up, YouTube? So it's really, I watched the edge off. So it's really like 2 going on 3 in the morning. I'm tired, y'all. I'm slight drunk still, and I'm tired, bro. Look, I'm on the road, going back to my crib, back to school, really. But we finna get there. I'm finna end the vlog right here. My bad if I ain't get too many videos. I really was trying to enjoy myself, which I did. And it's just some stuff that just don't go on camera. So I love y'all. Like, subscribe, comment, and we're gonna keep dropping bangers. You know, and your boy is out.